Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Payoneer card not working issues step by step. First, check that your Payoneer balance and make sure you have enough funds available. Also, check if your card is expired. If it is expired, you'll need to request a new card. Next, check if your card is blocked for security reasons. Log in into your Payoneer account from a browser and see if there are any alerts or notifications. If your card was temporarily blocked due to suspicious activities, follow the instructions to verify your transaction. Also, make sure that international transactions and online payments are enabled in your card. If you're using the card at an ATM, try a different ATM machine. Sometimes the problem is with the ATM, not the card. If it's still not working, contact Payoneer support and confirm the exact reason. That's how you fix the Payoneer card not working. Subscribe for more.